Hello, let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Circle, it's a circle. Rhombus, it's a rhombus. Semicircle, it's a semicircle. Pentagon, pentagon. Triangle, cross, cross. Olive green color, olive green color. Yellow green color, yellow green color. Yellow green color. Cool gray color, cool gray color. Cool gray color. Chestnut brown color, chestnut brown color. Chestnut brown color. Vermilion color, vermilion color. Vermilion color. Brick brown color, brick brown color. Brick brown color. Circle, rhombus, semicircle, pentagon, triangle, cross. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.